Good morning, Philosophy 1015, and welcome to week two. Before we dive in to week two, just want to give you a general reminder. Please make sure you're checking out the post that I posted last week with regards to, just general discussion tips, but more importantly, those substantive posts. Just recorded a short quote lecture about what is considered a substantive post in this class, most of which is also outlined in the text of that particular announcement. That said, hopefully the work of week one was helpful for you in kind of laying the groundwork for what it is that religious studies are. And hopefully what you gain from that is that it's more than just purely the theology or the orthodoxy or various doctrines within a particular Western religion. That's a good foundation, because what we're going to try to do this week is lay the groundwork for key scholars of religion, in the sense that we're looking for individuals who are philosophers or other kinds of social scientists that look at religion, not necessarily through a theological lens, but through a lens that is critical in the sense of let's evaluate it through history, through science, through philosophy, the list goes on. And so rather than focusing on that belief in a pure sense, what we're going to try to do is understand the ways you can evaluate a particular religion or that orthodoxy or that doctrine within that religion to understand, the social implications, the psychological implications, economic, cultural, or even political. And what we're trying to do is understand, as scholars of religion, the ways to which, say, Christianity, Judaism, or Islam, right, are influential in understanding not necessarily just the past, but the present. It is one of those key lenses that we can use as scholars to understand the context to which we are operating in the 21st century, and the way society responds to a particular event or not. So if we jump over to the syllabus, let's take a look at what we have for reading this week. All right, so again, we're going to cover scholars' theories, methodologies, and in so doing, you're going to read out of the Mackenzie book, chapter 2. And I will show you where that is again, and just as a reminder, and then you've got discussion 2 and quiz 2. So remember, if you were to jump back into D2L, go back into content and e-text, you can find the Mackenzie text right there. As always, I'm happy to answer any questions if you have any.